बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की इस वीडियो में MS वर्ड के MCQs हम कवर करने वाले हैं। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आपसे एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करें ताकि नई आने वाली वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Ctrl+V shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to paste text in the beginning of the document, paste images in the beginning of document, paste tables at the middle of the document, none of the above. So the correct option is D. Ctrl+U shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to undelete the previously deleted text, undo the last changes, underline the document name, underline the selected text. So the correct option is D. Ctrl+T shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to hanging indent, left indent, open tabs dialog box, terminate all open dialog box. So the correct option is A. Ctrl+A shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to save document with different name, save document with the same name, save document and close Word application, save document and print whole pages. So the correct option is B. Ctrl+R shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to reopen the last closed document, reprint the last printed page, reapply the last paragraph formatting, right align the selected paragraph. So the correct option is D. What is the function of Ctrl+Q in Microsoft Word? Paragraph formatting, line spacing and paragraph space, close Word application without saving document, print whole document without confirmation, does nothing. So the correct option is A. What is the function of Ctrl+P in Microsoft Word? Open paragraph dialog box, open page format dialog box, open save dialog box, open print dialog box. So the correct option is D. What is the function of Ctrl+O in Microsoft Word? Save document, print document, close document, open document. So the correct option is D. What is the function of Ctrl+N in Microsoft Word? Save document, open document, new document, close document. So the correct option is C. Ctrl+M shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to new document, close document, right indent, left indent. So the correct option is D. Ctrl+A shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to left align, left indent, increase left margin, decrease left margin. Correct option is A. Ctrl+K shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to insert page number, insert hyperlink, insert header, insert footer. So the correct option is B. To insert a drop cap in one of the paragraph, you should access format, tools, insert menu, none of the above. So the correct option is A. What is the extension of Microsoft Word files? Dot, text, file, docs. So the correct option is D. Which indent marker controls all the lines except first line? Left indent marker, first line indent marker, right indent marker, hanging indent marker. So the correct option is D. If you need to double underline a word, how will you do that? अगर आप किसी लाइन को डबल अंडरलाइन करते हैं तो आपने क्या करना होगा? From format menu choose font option, then font Then from font tab, open underline style and select double underline. Go to format menu and then font option. Open underline style and choose double underline. Click double underline tool on formatting toolbar. Select the text, then choose format, then font, and on font tab, open underline style and choose double underline. So the correct option is D. Which tab in font dialog box contains option to apply font effects? Text effects, standard toolbar, font tab, correct spacing. So the correct option is C. What is the default font used in MS Word document? Times New Roman, Arial, Calibri, none of the above. So the correct option is C. What is the default font size of the new Word document based on normal template? 9 pt, 12 pt, 14 pt, none of the above. So the correct option is B. Which of the following is the second step in creating a macro? Using your mouse or keyboard, perform the task you want to automate. Give the macro a name. Assign a keyboard shortcut to the macro. Start recording. So the correct option is C. What is a portion of a document in which you set certain page formatting options? Page setup, section, page, document. So the correct option is B. आज की इस वीडियो में इतना ही काफ़ी है और जाते जाते हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। इंशाल्लाह आपसे मुलाकात होगी अगली वीडियो में। तब तक इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।